Welcome to Dr. Uchechukwu's Health Channel. We're so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into natural ways to feel your absolute best and live a vibrant life. Many people struggle with weight management and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. They might have trouble with digestion, feel sluggish, or lack the energy to get through the day. We're often told there's a quick fix, like a magic pill or a trendy diet. But real health is about taking care of your body from the inside out with nutritious food and mindful habits. I'm here to share simple, natural remedies that can make a big difference in your overall well-being. These remedies are about supporting your body's natural ability to heal and thrive. They are about boosting your energy, enhancing your mood, and feeling great every single day. Let's embark on this journey to wellness together, step by step, making small changes that lead to big results. Are you ready to feel amazing and embrace a healthier you? Let's get started. Let's talk about two incredible natural ingredients, ginger and lemon. These powerhouses are packed with health benefits. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It can soothe your stomach and aid digestion. Lemon is a fantastic source of vitamin C. This vitamin is crucial for a strong immune system. Lemon can also help flush out toxins and boost your metabolism. Together, ginger and lemon make a potent combination to enhance your well-being. Let's make a delicious and healthy ginger lemon tea. This refreshing beverage is perfect for any time of the day and is packed with health benefits. You'll need just a few simple ingredients. It's quick and easy to prepare. Grab 1 inch of fresh ginger root. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and can help with digestion. You'll also need 1 whole lemon. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and add a zesty flavor to the tea. And don't forget 2 cups of water. Water is essential to bring all the ingredients together. Start by washing the ginger and lemon thoroughly to remove any dirt or pesticides. Peel the ginger and slice it into thin pieces. This helps release more flavor into the tea. Slice the lemon into rounds. The lemon slices will add a refreshing citrus taste. Now, add the ginger and lemon slices to a pot with 2 cups of water. Make sure the water covers the ingredients. Bring the mixture to a boil. This helps to extract the flavors and nutrients. Then, let it simmer for about 15 minutes. This allows the ingredients to fully infuse. This allows the flavors and nutrients to infuse. Strain the tea to remove the ginger and lemon pieces. And enjoy it warm or chilled. This tea is not only tasty, but also soothing and invigorating. Sipping your way to wellness, the benefits. This simple ginger lemon tea offers a wide range of health benefits, making it a perfect addition to your daily routine. Ginger helps to reduce nausea and improve digestion, making it ideal for those with sensitive stomachs or motion sickness. It can also decrease inflammation throughout your body, which is beneficial for overall health and well-being. This is great for people who suffer from joint pain, arthritis, or other inflammatory conditions. Lemon is a natural detoxifier, helping to cleanse your system and flush out toxins. It helps your liver to function more efficiently, promoting better overall health. Lemon also aids in weight management by boosting your metabolism, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Plus, the vitamin C in lemons strengthens your immune system, keeping you healthier year-round. This can help you fight off colds and infections, ensuring you stay active and vibrant. Join the journey to a healthier you. I encourage you to try this ginger lemon tea and experience the benefits for yourself. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance your health naturally. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more natural health tips and recipes. I'm excited to be on this health journey with you. Here's to a healthier and happier you.